Q8036. Before applying a protective coating to any unpainted clean aluminum, you should A. Wipe the surface with methyl ethyl ketone, MEK. B. Remove any contaminants from the surface with a paper towel. C. Avoid touching the surface with bare hands. The correct answer is C. Aluminum is a soft metal that can be easily scratched by human skin. When you touch the surface of unpainted aluminum with your bare hands, you leave behind oils and other contaminants that can interfere with the adhesion of the protective coating. Q8037. When humidity is low, what is likely to occur if hydrated wash primer is applied to unpainted aluminum and then, 30 to 40 minutes later, a finished topcoat is applied? A. Corrosion. B. A glossy, blush-free finish. C. A dull finish due to the topcoat sinking into primer that is still too soft. The correct answer is B. When hydrated wash primer is applied to unpainted aluminum in low humidity conditions, it may dry quickly and provide a good surface for subsequent coatings. If a finished topcoat is applied 30 to 40 minutes later, it is likely to bond well with the wash primer and result in a glossy, blush-free finish. The low humidity helps facilitate the proper curing and adhesion of the coatings, leading to a satisfactory outcome. Q8038. What is the usual cause of runs and sags in aircraft finishes? A. Too much material applied in one coat. B. Material is being applied too fast. C. Low atmospheric humidity. The correct answer is A. The usual cause of runs and sags in aircraft finishes is too much material applied in one coat. When too much material is applied, it can cause the finish to run or sag before it has a chance to dry. This can result in an uneven finish that is difficult to repair. Q8039. Which defect in aircraft finishes may be caused by adverse humidity, drafts, or sudden changes in temperature? A. Orange peel. B. Blushing. C. Pinholes. The correct answer is B. The defect in aircraft finishes that may be caused by adverse humidity, drafts, or sudden changes in temperature is blushing. Blushing is a condition in which moisture from the atmosphere condenses on the surface of the finish and causes some of the cellulose to precipitate from the finish. Blushing leaves a porous, dull, and weak finish. Blushing may be caused by the temperature being too low, the humidity being too high, or by drafts or sudden changes in temperature. Q8040. Which statement is true regarding paint system compatibility? A. Old-type zinc chromate primer may not be used directly for touch-up of bare metal surfaces. B. Acrylic nitrocellulose lacquers may be used over old nitrocellulose finishes. C. Old wash primer coats may be overcoated directly with epoxy finishes. The correct answer is C. When it comes to paint system compatibility, it is possible to directly overcoat old wash primer coats with epoxy finishes. However, if an acrylic finish is intended to be applied, it is necessary to first apply a second coat of wash primer to ensure proper adhesion of the acrylic finish. Sheet metal and non.